Hello kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn something very important, that is countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Are you confused to define countable and uncountable nouns? We are here for you. But for this, you must see this video completely. Don't be confused, it is very easy to understand. Before talk about the countable and uncountable noun, first we know what is the noun. A noun is a word that names a person, place, animal or thing. For example, dog, school, book and teacher. These all are nouns. Now the question is, what are countable nouns? Let's talk about countable nouns. Countable nouns. These are things we can count. It means which things we are count that are countable nouns. For example, 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. See, we can count them easily. We can count the apples. Let's look at some more examples. 1 pencil, 3 pencils. Same as 1 cat, 2 cats. Let's see some more examples. 1 chair, 4 chairs. Same this, we count the toffees. 1 toffee, 2 toffee. Can you think of something else we can count? Tell me in the comments below. So, now your question is, what are uncountable nouns? Now, let's talk about uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns. These are things we cannot count. Means the things that we can never count is uncountable nouns. They are usually liquids, powders or things like ideas. For example, water. We don't say 1 water, 2 water, 3 water. Just we always say water. Rice. We don't count rice as 1 rice, 2 rice. Just we say rice. Same as in the case of milk and sugar. And even happiness. We count it. No, we have never counted. So, they are uncountable now. Is not that cool? Now, it's the practice time. Now, let's play a game. I will show you some pictures of words and you tell me if it's countable or uncountable nouns. Ready? You are excited? Here we go. Milk. Think it. Milk is countable or uncountable noun? Yeah, that's right. It's an uncountable noun because we can't count the milk. Book. Book. Book is countable noun or uncountable noun? Yeah, that's right. Great job. It's a countable noun. Sand. Think it. You can count the sand? No. So, this is a uncountable noun. That's right. It's a uncountable noun because we could not count it. Flower. Flower. You can count the flower. So, it's a countable noun. That's great. That is a countable noun because we can count it. Eraser. Eraser. You can count the eraser? Think it. That's great. Well done. It's a countable noun because we count it. Great work. Now you are a grammar superstar. Let's quickly recap what is we learned. Let's repeat it again now. Countable nouns are things we can count like apples, dogs and chairs. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count like water. water, rice, and milk. Great job, kids! You did very well. Now you know the countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till you then, tata, bye bye.